Piercing the corporate veil is a concept in the law that allows a creditor of a organized entity that provides protection to disregard the protection the entity provides. So in this case, an LLC protects the members of the LLC, their personal assets from lawsuits arising with respect to the business. If the corporate veil is pierced, then those personal assets of the member are at risk in that lawsuit involving the business. And therefore, the business becomes essentially worthless. Now, when making a determination as to whether or not the corporate veil should be pierced, the courts typically consider a number of factors. Again, the primary consideration most courts take into account is whether or not that business is separate from the member's personal affairs. If there's a lot of commingling of assets, paying of expenses from the business owner's personal account for business expenses, the business paying personal expenses of the member, those things are facts that can allow a court to pierce the corporate veil. In my experience, that's the most important factors, but there are several other factors that may be considered that are somewhat similar along those same lines. So, in order to avoid having the corporate veil pierced, the members need to keep that LLC separate from their personal matters.